Rules of typography. Typography is not merely about choosing a font, it embodies the entire philosophy of design execution and written communication. As we delve into today's presentation, we will explore a range of critical aspects, starting with defining what typography truly involves, emphasizing its significance within the design process, and mapping out key principles that underpin effective typographic practice. Here is a definition of typography, which is typography encompasses the art and technique of arranging type to make written language uh, legible, readable, and visually appealing. It stretches beyond mere font selection to include the design of typeface, the arrangement of characters, and interplay of visual hierarchy that enhances communication. Importance in design. Effective typography enhances visual communication by guiding the viewer's eyes and shaping perception. It contributes significantly to the aesthetic appeal of a design, ensuring that the message is conveyed not just accurately but also engaging. Good typography promotes user experience by facilitating readability and comprehension. Overview of key rules. Understanding fundamental typography rule is crucial for any designer. These guidelines help in creating a cohesive and functional design, whether it's emphasizing information hierarchies, ensuring balanced layouts, and maintaining consistency across various media. In the realm of typography, one of the most impactful rules is the limitation of typeface variety. By adhering to a guideline of using no more than 3 typefaces, we cannot only enhance visual clarity but also ensure that the design closely aligns with its intended message. We will always explore the importance of maintaining consistency and harmony among chosen typefaces, supplemented by real world examples demonstrating how effective restraint can elevate a brand or design to new heights. So, maximum 3 typefaces, consistency and harmony, and examples of effective use of limited typeface can be observed in branding, where companies employ a single or duo of typefaces across all media to fortify brand recognition. Analyzing case studies of successful designs will reveal how limited typeface variety can create powerful, distinctive identities without overwhelming the audience. When embarking on typography selection, the readability of fonts stands paramount, most notably identifying the right balance between standard and decorative fonts is essential. While readable fonts form the backbone of solid designs, allowing for clarity and comprehension, decorative fonts infuse personality but must be deployed with consideration to context, ensuring they enhance rather than obscure the message. So we have standard versus decorative fonts. The standard typeface are generally more legible and conducive for body text, maintaining clarity and easy reading. Conversely, decorative fonts serve well for titles and headers, introducing character and personality, but should be utilized judiciously to avoid sacrificing legibility. Legibility consideration. The clarity of a typeface significantly impacts readability. Factors like letterform, page shape, spacing, and size play critical role in ensuring that text is easily decipherable across various mediums, especially when viewed at different resolutions or in varied lighting condition. When to use decorative fonts. Decorative fonts and flares and uniqueness but are best reserved for limited use such as logos or headlines. Understanding the appropriate context of these fonts can transform a design from mundane to striking while still maintaining user accessibility. Employing contrasting font pair is a powerful strategy in typography that can enhance visual interest and guide users through content seamlessly. We will explore the contrast between serif and sans serif fonts, learn how different font weight can affect perception and highlight key content, and provide examples of successful pairings that embody both readability and design balance. So we have serif versus sans serif. Serif fonts with their distinct embellishment often evoke tradition and reliability and are common in print, while sans serif fonts present a cleaner, more modern aesthetic frequently used in digital media. Understanding that strengths allows for strategic pairing based on context and audience. Combining weight, utilizing different font weights, light, regular, bold, within the same typeface can create visual hierarchy and emphasis, guiding the reader's focus through varying levels of importance, which is vital for narrative storytelling in designs. Visual balance example, creating contrast between font pairs is essential for visual harmony. Observing successful designs can provide insights into how contrast in font pairs draws attention effectively while also ensuring that the complete layout feels balanced and aesthetically appealing to the viewer. Alignment remains a foundational principle in typography that can drastically affect readability and user experience. Understanding when to employ left alignment for extensive text, how center alignment can enhance titles, and the pitfalls of justified text can fundamentally strengthen the overall design, ensuring that communicative intent remains clear and engaging. Managing line lengths effectively is one of the simplest yet most impactful typography rules. Achieving appropriate character counts per line can drastically improve readability and enhance user experience. Throughout our discussion, we will analyze the ideal line length parameters, how to manage text width effectively, considering various formats and understanding the relation between line length and readers' cognitive loads. So the ideal line length of a body text typically range from 50 to 75 characters. This length enhances reading speed and reduces eye strain as it minimizes the need of excessive horizontal movement across lines, ultimately promoting user engagement. Text width consideration. Adjusting text width appropriately is crucial for both printed and digital medium. In responsive web design, establishing fluidity in line length ensures optimal viewing experience on various devices, whether tablet, smartphone, or desktops. Impact on readability. Line length directly affects the flow of reading. Excessively long lines can fatigue readers, while lines too short disrupts through thought processes. Striking a balance in line length thus becomes integral to maintain user focus and readability. Establishing a clear visual hierarchy through typography is crucial for directing the viewer's attention. By utilizing headings and varying sizes and ratios, as well as understanding how to construct an overarching hierarchy, can be significantly improve accessibility and comprehension, enriching the reader's experience while simultaneously reinforcing the message being conveyed. Sizing type and key points. In this section, we explore the myriad facets of type size and its profound impact on design. First, understand the significance of type size is paramount as it affects not only the readability of text but also the overall visual hierarchy and user experience. We will then delve into the historical context, tracing the development of type sizing practices and their influence on contemporary designs. Finally, I will outline what you can expect from this presentation, highlighting the importance of effective type sizing. So, significance of type size. The size of type directly impacts legibility, aesthetics, and user engagement, making it crucial factor in design decisions. Historical significance. Understanding the evolution of type size from traditional metal typesetting to modern digital practices informs current standards and application. Presentation overview. This presentation will guide you through various aspects of type sizing from foundational principles to practical application. In this part of the presentation, we will define point as primary unit of measurement within typography. Points are critical in establishing uniformity across the field, measuring 1 by 72 of an inch, which has been a long-standing standard. We will also discuss the default preferences in different media. In print, points have dominated, while pixels have taken precedence in digital forms. Lastly, we will review the implications of transitioning between these measurement systems to maintain consistency in typographic designs. So the clarification of points are standardized units of measure in typography equals to 1 by 72 of an inch used to quantify type size, leading to universal understanding across the design community. Default measurement preferences. Traditionally, points have been the default measurement for type and prints. Through pixels often replace them in digital forms, reflecting differing industry standards. Measurement system tradition. Understanding how to switch between measurement system is critical for designers working across print and digital media, ensuring consistent type application. As we venture to historical evolution of type size standard, it's essential to recognize the foundational origin in metal typesetting, where size were linked to physical adaptability in printing process. We explored the distinction between vertical size and letter height, which is often misunderstood yet vital for appropriate typographic application. Additionally, we will analyze how these historical contexts have influenced current design principles and how they echo into today's digital age. In this segment, we will investigate how variability in typeface design can influence size perception. Each typeface comes with its distinctive characteristics that affect legibility and visual engagement. To illustrate this, we'll perform a comparative analysis between Myriad Pro and Adobe Genson Pro. You'll notice how they can convey totally separate visual impressions, even when set at the same point size. Understanding these design subtleties will ultimately enhance our ability to engage a target audience effectively. In this section, we will examine the concept of type scale and its significance in achieving visual harmony. Standard typefaces are an essential framework that designers rely upon to ensure a cohesive and readable design. We'll explore two critical aspects: how to maintain visual hierarchy and how to remain flexible in type size choices. Mastery of these principles allowed for a sophisticated design that communicates effectively with its audience while accommodating various contexts. Next, we explore maximum and fractional point size in typography. It's crucial to recognize that while large type sizes can seem appealing, they may often result in diminished readability. Hence, the importance of understanding maximum size limits while crafting your design. The use of fractional size allows for more sophisticated typographic solutions, enabling designers to create distinctive styles without compromising readability. We will also discuss practical application, emphasizing how mastering these techniques can lead to more effective and aesthetically pleasing design pieces. So, understanding maximum size constraint, working within maximum size limit is vital for text legibility. Overly large type can become less effective, resulting in poor readability. Employing fractional size, utilizing fractional point size allow to nuance adjustment in typography, creating a unique visual style while enhancing reader engagement. Real world application, being able to apply these sizing principles in practice leads to better overall design outcomes, ensuring clarity and professionalism across document. Finally, we review effective strategies for sizing type within software environment. Efficient paragraph selection is crucial when working in design. Ensuring uniformity when applying changes we'll delve into methods of changing type size, exploring various software tools available that allow for quick and accurate adjustment. In closing these sections, we will discuss the significance of properly fitting text frames to enhance the overall design, ensuring clarity, coherence, and visual